Hello, and thank you for taking time to learn about how to navigate your transcript in the Vision Resource Center. I'm Shannon Krajewski, the Professional Development Coordinator at Los Angeles Pierce College. To access your transcript from the VRC welcome screen, you will see a button that says My Transcript. You can also hover over Learning and click on My Transcript. The default view when you first see your transcript is the Active tab. The active will include any scheduled, upcoming, and in-progress activities. Let's take a look at the Active tab. If you've attended an event, you may be required to complete an evaluation of that event before it will be marked complete on your transcript. If this is the case, you will see Evaluate to the right of that activity. Simply click the Evaluate button and complete and submit the evaluation. If you attended an event and even completed the evaluation if required, but it is still on your Active Transcript tab, it is likely because the person responsible for marking attendance at that event has not yet entered and submitted the attendance. It may take a few days or even a couple of weeks for that person to mark attendance, but as soon as attendance is marked, it will automatically move to your completed transcript tab. If something has taken quite some time and is still not marked, you can reach out to the facilitator to inquire. If you were engaged in a learning material in the VRC, you may also see on your Active Transcript a Mark Complete button. Click this button if you have indeed completed this activity. Some activities may then also require a signature to ensure that you've completed the activity, which will be indicated by a Sign button. Click this button and enter your name to certify that you have indeed completed the activity. To view your completed activities, select Completed from the drop-down menu. On your Completed tab, you will have a few options next to each activity. You can view a certificate, which may be a generic or custom certificate for that activity, and it will include your name, the total time that you spent on the activity, and the completion date. You can also evaluate a live training, even if an evaluation is not required. Let's take a look at the Archived tab. To view your archived activities, select Archived from the drop-down menu. The archived transcript is basically like a recycle bin. This will show all activities that are incomplete, no-show, withdrawn, or inactive. If you made an error or for some reason do not want to have an activity listed in your active or completed transcript or counted towards your PD or flex hours, it cannot be deleted. However, you can move it to your archived transcript. To do this, next to the activity, click on the drop-down menu and select Move to Archived Transcript. The activity will move to the archived transcript, which you can view by selecting Archived from the drop-down menu. Any activity in the archived transcript will not count towards your completed PD or flex hours. If something is mistakenly on your archived transcript, you can restore it by clicking on Restore from Archived Transcript next to the activity. You can only restore items which were marked complete, registered, or in progress. You cannot restore something that you were marked no-show, incomplete, or withdrawn. You can also run reports of your transcript by clicking the three-dot option on the top right. You can export to PDF or print the transcript. To see only certain parts of your transcript or to search your transcript, you can run a transcript report. Running a transcript report allows you to search for certain types of training or keywords, as well as search for a date range. From this same Options menu, you can also enter External Training, which will take you to the form where you can enter professional learning or flex activities that happen outside of the VRC. There's a separate video that includes details about using this form. If you're just looking to see how many hours of professional learning or flex time you've completed, you can hover over Reports and click on Dashboards. There's a separate video that reviews how to use the dashboards if you want more details. A few more notes about your transcript. If you have registered for an event, but you now wish to withdraw, simply select Withdraw from the drop-down menu next to the event. Selecting Move to Archived will not withdraw you from the event, but withdrawing from the event will automatically move the event to your archived transcript. You cannot withdraw from an event that has already begun. If you attended an event and you don't see it on your active or completed transcript, check your archived transcript. If you see it on your archived transcript and it's marked complete, you can restore it from archived. If you're marked as a no-show or incomplete and believe this to be a mistake, contact the facilitator of the event or your college's professional development coordinator for assistance. I hope this tutorial has been useful. Please check out our other videos for more specifics on how to navigate the VRC.